Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the wheel and placing it on a stable stand. This gives clear access and avoids contamination. Once off, degrease thoroughly with brake cleaner so the chrome bonds properly. Now you sand progressively from 180 grit to 600 grit to remove paint and corrosion. This creates a uniform surface. Make sure to mask valve stems and inner barrel. The better the prep, the fewer defects you'll see after plating. Once the surface is smooth, repair any pitting or dents with a metal-compatible filler and sand flush. This prevents voids beneath chrome. Next, mask all areas that must not be plated, inner barrel, valve, lug holes, using high-temp tape so plating only hits the intended surfaces. Clean again with acetone, then use an alkaline cleaning bath to remove oils. Apply a thin conductive coating if needed. This ensures You begin plating by first applying a nickel undercoat. Nickel evens the surface and improves adhesion. Once the nickel bath is correct, switch to chrome plating, controlling current density and time to build a uniform layer. After plating, rinse and dry, then polish to remove minor irregularities. Apply a clear coat if you want extra corrosion resistance. If you see flaking or poor adhesion, sand the spot back to metal, reclean, and replate. Make sure current and solution chemistry are within spec to prevent repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.